Good morning everyone, it is the 7th of April, 20 past 7, so just sent the email out. Here's the video. We've got usual layout, 10-minute chart, 30-minute, 2-hour and the daily. So if I just make the 30-minute bigger, so really it's a little bit tricky to be honest as to what it's going to do today. I'm thinking we've got these resistance levels here on the PRT charts at this 6182 and this declining one here at 6175. So I was thinking an initial dip down really towards the daily pivot here at 6145. We've also got the 200 EMA and the green coral line sort of in this whole sort of area here really. So I'm just thinking really dip to there and then a rise up mainly as a continuation of that bullishness from yesterday with the 6090 level holding. A rise up towards the top of the 10-day Bianca channel, which is at that 6208 level. We've also got the IG PRT R1 here at 6201, but live charts have their R2 level at 6209 as well, so or 6208 I think it is. So again, this sort of area might well act as resistance, and as you know, many times recently we've tried to get above 6,200 and then drop back. The most recent effort managed to get to about 6,230, which is actually where we have the top of the RAF channels. So if I just make that daily chart bigger, the top of the RAF channels, both of them actually are at 6,230. So if we do break 6,210, then I think 6,230 is going to be pretty likely to be hit. And we may well see some bearishness come in there. It's quite rare to sort of pop above the RAF channels. It does happen, of course, but that could be a good area to go short if we do see 6230. But initially, I'd probably try 6210 first of all, just where we've got that Bianca 10-day and the R2 and R1 levels. R1 obviously on IG and R2 on live charts. And then a dip back really from there down towards the 6170, this rising, oh hang on, let me make that bigger, sort of sticking within this 30-minute channel really, the top of which is there and the bottom which we're kind of in at the moment there. So I was kind of thinking we're probably going to stay today in there. Obviously we've got the Fed news later on, or not news, but sort of a meeting. So there might be some feedback from that later on, which may see some either bearishness or bullishness. But that's obviously quite a lot later on tonight, so will probably be more impactful tomorrow. So so that's my plan really. It's a little bit of playing it by ear, just to see if these areas of note, this 6150 I suppose area, 6145 to 6155, if that area holds a support, and if 6210 or 6230 are resistance. So that's what I was thinking really. If we just have a look at the 2-hour chart, that has actually changed to bull yesterday with that rise in the afternoon. So the blue line, which is the faster moving average, crossed above the purple line. We dipped back on this candle here to test that area, and we've risen up towards the resistance. I'm not ruling out a dip really down to this 6120 area, and I imagine that the coral line, which is currently red, might well, as you can see it's levelling off, might well turn green today if we hold above this 6160 area, or bounce back from 6150, that sort of area. So if that turns green and we dip back and test that level at some point, maybe tomorrow or something, that may well hold as support. So it'd be interesting to see sort of what it does over the next 24 hours really. But again, as you can see on this 2-hour chart, we've got this major PRT resistance line up here at this 6182 level. There's also a bit more of a minor one, but just a declining one there. Again, a few resistances around here, which is why I was thinking we'll get an initial dip down towards the pivot and then a climb back. So that's the 2-hour. So I think if we do drop from the 6210 area, something like that, 6150 is my initial target, but we might actually get down to 6120. and then see some support coming in there. As per the pattern for goodness knows how long, 6,200 looks fairly key, and whether they can, the bulls can break above that and hold above that, which is the key bit really. So yeah, dip, rise, dip is really my plan for today. Good luck everyone. Any questions, please email me. Thanks for watching.